Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have REALME GT7 Pro and I want to show you how add remove magnification to this device. To add remove magnification, open settings application. In it, scroll down and look for our accessibility selection, and there accessibility. Now we tap on our vision and there we have our magnification, which we must turn on our shortcut, confirm by OK, and we have it. To zoom our screen, tap on shortcut and tap on screen. You can change position of your zoom when you use two fingers and swipe with your two fingers on screen. When you make this feature, you can also zoom on zoom out. But when you zoom on and use one finger, you can go only up and down in our zoom. To turn off, press it again on your shortcut. You can also change position of your shortcut by tap on it and swipe with it on screen to select place, or we can turn off it. That's all, thanks for watching, bye!